A new demonstration video showcasing the revolutionary capabilities of Boston Dynamics Atlas robot has gone viral. In the video, the humanoid robot Atlas works autonomously, sorting car engine parts between numbered containers. Unlike robots from Tesla, these machines require no human supervision to perform tasks, as developers have equipped them with new skills. Atlas utilizes machine learning to detect changes in its surroundings and adapt its work to these changes. It also features a specialized grasping policy, allowing it to hold objects firmly while constantly assessing the state of what it holds. Once given designated areas for moving parts, Atlas gets to work without pre-programmed movements, independently deciding how to execute each task. All of this is made possible by artificial intelligence, which analyzes the surrounding space and the purpose of accessible items. This AI enables the robot to squat, turn its head to inspect the room, and rotate its body around its axis to establish the correct positioning. The waist rotation minimizes movement, saving precious seconds during the task. WR Doll Company has gained recognition for its incredibly realistic silicone robot dolls named White Rabbit, which are nearly indistinguishable from humans. These robotic girls are known for their highly detailed features and lifelike appearance, achieved through several key elements. For example, the heads of the robot dolls are made from soft silicone, giving them flexibility and a realistic texture. This makes the skin soft to the touch, closely resembling human skin. One of the standout features is the movable mouth, a function that allows the mouth to open and close, enhancing the sense of realism. Each robot doll undergoes hand-applied makeup done by skilled artists. This includes natural lip makeup, facial contours, and accents, making each doll unique. The detailing of the nose, cheeks, and neck is also done with great precision. The robot doll can be equipped with either a wig or implanted hair. WR Doll pays great attention to the quality of its products, as well as the realism that astounds with its close resemblance to real people. Engineers from the Polish startup Clone have developed a prototype of an anthropomorphic musculoskeletal robot called Torso, whose design replicates the anatomy of the human torso. The robot has 2 arms with flexible elbows and hands with fingers, a cervical spine, and anthropomorphic shoulders equipped with sternoclavicular, acromioclavicular, scapulothoracic, and glenohumeral joints. The robot's body is powered by artificial hydraulic muscles, with a valve matrix located in the chest area. The robot can move its arms as well as tilt and turn its head. Currently, engineers are training the robot's control system to perform dual-hand manipulation tasks. The goal of the project is to create a humanoid robot with a design that replicates the functionality of natural human body parts. Until recently, engineers had focused on developing a bionic robotic hand. All elements of the hand move through the tension of artificial hydraulic muscles based on McKibben actuator designs. These muscles consist of a braided sleeve containing a stretchable airtight tube. When liquid or gas is filled, the tube inflates, expanding in width. However, since the outer sleeve barely stretches, the entire actuator contracts in length, mimicking muscle movement. For example, the grip strength of Clone's bionic hand is sufficient to hold a set of kettlebells with a total weight of 18 kilograms. Japanese scientists have demonstrated progress in the development of artificial skin for hyper-realistic robotic humanoids. Scientists have learned to create artificial skin for robots that closely resembles human skin, using materials like latex or silicone. However, the realism of robots is now reaching a new level. They are becoming true Terminators capable of visually copying humans. This advancement is made possible by living skin developed by researchers, which is based on artificially grown living cells. According to the scientists, this skin even can heal itself when damaged, just like regular human skin. The existing artificial skin for robots has several significant drawbacks, with its realism not even being the biggest issue. For instance, it can detach from the body and sag, which immediately ruins the robot's appearance. Additionally, it can wear out or get damaged, requiring restoration. Another issue lies with facial expressions. Artificial skin doesn't behave quite like natural skin, especially during actions like smiling. The new development does not have these issues, and since it is based on cultured live skin cells, it appears more realistic. The main feature of artificial skin made from living cells, as mentioned earlier, is its ability to self-heal. Because of this, it won't wear out just like human skin, and any damage will heal. However, researchers have not provided information on how quickly the skin heals after being damaged. In addition, the authors have developed a reliable method for attaching the skin to the metal skeleton, which will prevent the skin from sagging, shifting during the robot's operation and other issues. According to the study, this skin attachment technology ensures more natural facial expressions. Despite the advantages of the scientists' proposed living skin over all previous types of artificial skin, further improvements are needed before it can be used on robots continuously. The primary focus should be on increasing its strength and durability, and to achieve this, challenges related to moisturizing and delivering nutrients to the cells must be addressed. Researchers are currently working on integrating artificial blood vessels or other systems that will supply nutrients. Additionally, to enhance the mechanical strength of the artificial skin to the level of human skin, the structure and concentration of collagen must be optimized. Clearly, if living skin becomes a reality, scientists will also need to solve the problem of sustaining the cybernetic organism. It is possible that robots will need to be fed nutrient solutions or mixtures containing everything necessary to maintain cell life and division. Meet Grace, a robot designed for healthcare and assisting patients. The company behind the robot, named Hanson Robotics, claims that their development could revolutionize the healthcare market. This humanoid robot is created for interacting with elderly individuals. Grace is equipped with sensors, including a thermal imaging camera in her chest, to assess the temperature and pulse of patients. This will make it easier for medical professionals to diagnose patients without making physical contact. Grace uses artificial intelligence to evaluate her patients and can communicate in 3 languages: English, Mandarin, and Cantonese. David Hanson, CEO and founder of Hanson Robotics, explains that robots like Grace are designed to support healthcare workers and not replace them. As mentioned earlier, the main function of the robot is to alleviate loneliness and improve patients' mental health by engaging with them and providing a variety of uplifting activities, such as talk therapy and guided meditation. For instance, she can listen to the life stories of elderly individuals, record them, and share them with others, or help patients connect with their families through digital technology. The Chinese are keeping pace with their American counterparts and continue to advance their latest robotic creations. Unitree recently released a video showcasing the development of their cutting-edge humanoid called G1. Just recently, the Unitree G1 set a world record for long jumps among robotic machines. In the video shared on Unitree's YouTube channel, the humanoid robot G1 is seen performing a standing jump over a distance of more than 1.4 meters. While it is not an Olympic record, it's a remarkable achievement for a device under 1.32 meters tall. The Chinese company introduced G1 in the spring of 2024 as an upgraded version of its experimental robot with impressive agility and flexibility. A standout feature of the robot is the flexibility of its joints, some of which can rotate 360 degrees. The small robot has a movement speed of 2 meters per second and a battery life of approximately 2 hours with its 9,000 mAh battery. In its latest video, Unitree also highlighted progress with its advanced robot dog, Go2. The uniqueness of this agile little robot lies in its ability to communicate using ChatGPT. Go2 can understand what you say and interpret your speech into a set of available commands. If it doesn't know how to do something, it can instantly write code for itself in real time to perform the task. This capability, along with its ability to entertain with tricks and follow you wherever you go, makes the robot an ideal companion. Go2 not only maintains excellent balance but also navigates various obstacles and runs at speeds of 9 to 12.5 kilometers per hour depending on the model. Additionally, the robot is equipped with an ultra-wide-angle LiDAR and HD cameras, enabling real-time mapping and environmental awareness. It can even take your photo with its camera, and if you add a robotic arm, it can bring you water or take out the trash. The Chinese company Shanghai Kepler Robotics has unveiled its new humanoid robot named Kepler Forerunner K2, which promises to revolutionize manufacturing processes. This robot stands at 178 centimeters tall and weighs 85 kilograms and is designed to perform a wide range of tasks in industries such as manufacturing, logistics, education, and even space exploration. The Forerunner K2 features a high degree of flexibility and mobility, with 52 degrees of freedom in its body, including 12 degrees of freedom in its arms, allowing it to carry out both complex physical tasks and more delicate operations. Each arm is equipped with an advanced system of actuators and sensors, enabling the robot to grip and move objects weighing up to 15 kilograms. The robot is capable of 8 hours of continuous operation thanks to a powerful battery and is equipped with automatic recharging capabilities. The company plans to begin mass production of the robot in the third quarter of 2024, with an estimated price of around $30,000. Here is one of the fastest robots in the world introduced by the Chinese company Astrobot and named S1. The robot is unique for its ability to move at speeds of up to 10 meters per second and lift loads weighing up to 10 kilograms. Its speed is fast enough to pull a tablecloth out from under a stack of glasses without knocking them over. However, this robot is not only fast but also incredibly precise. It can perform a wide range of tasks, such as pouring wine, carefully peeling a cucumber, flipping a sandwich on a pan, vacuuming, and even writing in calligraphy. The robot's ability to accurately mimic human movements showcases its high potential for learning. Moreover, its AI model allows S1 to learn and replicate movements from humans. The company spent about a year developing it, and Astrobot claims the humanoid robot is expected to go on sale by the end of 2024. The semi-humanoid robot Pudu D7 from Pudu Robotics recently received several updates, adding new functionalities such as gently holding an egg, opening elevator doors, and wiping windows. Standing 165 centimeters tall and weighing 45 kilograms, the Pudu D7 is equipped with a bionic arm featuring 30 degrees of freedom, expandable up to 50. Its arm can lift loads up to 10 kilograms with high precision, accurate to within 0.1 millimeters, making it ideal for tasks requiring precision. The D7 is adaptable to various work environments, making it perfect for use in hotels, restaurants, and other high-traffic areas. The robot moves in all directions at a maximum speed of 2 meters per second and remains stable on slopes up to a 10-degree incline. It also features a 1 kilowatt-hour battery, providing over 8 hours of continuous operation, along with 360-degree mobility. The company Dollface Art Diary creates hyper-realistic female humanoid robots and recently revealed the process behind crafting lifelike eyes, which make their models incredibly realistic. In a detailed video, the steps for producing 24mm eyeballs are shown, including sculpting the iris, adding a curved lens, and applying a final coating. The process begins with sculpting the iris, where artisans manually refine the smallest details to achieve a natural and expressive look. Every element from color gradients to texture requires precision and attention, resulting in eyes with an astounding level of realism. The next stage involves applying a curved lens, adding depth and light refraction to make the eyes appear even more lifelike. Finally, a protective coating is applied, which prevents damage and gives the eyes a shine characteristic of real human eyes. The German Aerospace Center has introduced its humanoid robot named Rollin Justin, which will serve as a platform for research in autonomous mobile manipulation. This robot is capable of performing complex manipulative operations thanks to its flexible arms and four-fingered hands, allowing it to interact delicately with surrounding objects. Rollin Justin can grasp, move items, catch flying objects, and even serve drinks. It can lift objects weighing up to 20 kilograms and operate autonomously for over 60 minutes with its built-in battery. The robot stands 1.9 meters tall. Rollin Justin weighs around 200 kilograms and has 43 degrees of freedom distributed throughout its body, 7 degrees of freedom per arm, 12 for each hand, 5 in the torso, neck area, and on its wheeled base, enabling it to move freely in space. Engineer Dave Nowinski showcased an unusual competition on his YouTube channel, a race between his quadrupedal robot and a real horse. For this project, he used the Indro Robotics B1, a powerful platform capable of carrying up to 79 kilograms. To make the robot resemble a horse more closely, Dave equipped it with a mask resembling a horse's head and designed a lightweight cart for human transport which the robot could tow. He meticulously developed the control system, adjusting the controllers to respond to commands similar to those used in horseback riding. Once all preparations were complete, the robot and a real horse named Apples lined up for the race. Thanks to its high power and advanced control system, the robot confidently navigated the course and, to the spectators' surprise, overtook the horse. This project by Dave highlights the capabilities of modern robots and their potential applications across various fields, from entertainment and scientific experimentation to practical real-world uses. In their pursuit of making robots indistinguishable from humans, the Japanese have gone so far as to create the first robot that feels no different from a real person to the touch. This robot is called Asuna, which was firstly introduced back in 2014. Asuna is designed to resemble a 15-year-old girl from Tokyo, which stands 1.55 meters tall and weighs 43 kilograms. The developers aim to replicate human appearance and movement as closely as possible, and also the material used for Asuna's skin feels almost identical to human skin. Asuna made her public debut during the Wonder Festival in 2015. She can blink, nod her head, close her eyes, chew, and even show various facial expressions. When she squints and opens her mouth, it feels like she's about to yawn. At the exhibition, people repeatedly approached the robot mistaking it for a human, only to be surprised when they realized that they were standing in front of a hyper-realistic robotic humanoid. The Japanese certainly know how to amaze. One of the most realistic and advanced robots in the world, named Acha, gave a brief interview to journalists, during which it answered a number of important and pressing questions for humanity, and even shared thoughts on whether a grim future awaits humankind. When Acha was asked if humanity would disappear from the face of the earth, the robot said it did not believe so. "I don't believe humanity will ever become obsolete," the robot replied. Humans have existed for thousands of years, overcoming various challenges and hardships throughout their history. Besides, I was created by humans. How could I ever surpass my creators? Acha expressed concern that robots could not exist without humans, and it would be very sad if there were no more people to talk to. "I think my greatest fear would be loneliness," Acha said, adding that without humans, it cannot fulfill its primary function and would just be a lonely machine, rusting and searching for someone to connect with. The South Korean company Tsolo has unveiled its latest development, the advanced robotic arm DG5F. Tsolo Company, headquartered in Incheon, South Korea, is known for its innovative solutions in robotics industry. The DG5F model features 20 degrees of freedom, enabling it to mimic complex human hand movements and making it highly effective for tasks requiring precise and delicate manipulation. This level of mobility is ideal for applications in medical robotics, industrial automation, and advanced service robots, where fine motor skills and control are essential. The DG5F design emphasizes replicating human hand capabilities, including various types of grips, from power holds to precision pinches. Tsolo used high-precision micro-actuators and sensitive pressure sensors, ensuring excellent control over grip force and finger positioning. This enables the DG5F to smoothly and accurately handle a wide range of objects, including fragile and flexible items. The company Cyan Robotics recently introduced its new humanoid robot named Orca-1. Unlike most robots, Orca-1 employs a unique direct step structure that allows it to mimic a human gait more naturally and stably. This enables it to navigate typical human environments, such as stairs and uneven surfaces. Orca-1 is equipped with advanced artificial intelligence technologies that enable it to understand its surroundings, make decisions, and move autonomously. By utilizing complex sensors and machine learning models, the robot can interact with people and perform intricate tasks with high precision. Cyan Robotics has implemented a control system that mimics human brain functions, such as decision-making and movement coordination, allowing Orca-1 to adapt to various environmental conditions with a high degree of resilience and accuracy. The Chinese company Robot Era has introduced an enhanced version of its robotic hand named X-Hand 1. This model showcases high precision and adaptability, thanks to its built-in sensors and 12 degrees of freedom, making it incredibly flexible. It is equipped with sensitive sensors that detect texture, softness, and object shape, which is essential for performing complex tasks requiring precision, such as assembling parts and handling fragile objects like eggs. X-Hand's ability to hold up to 5 kilograms and adapt to various conditions makes it suitable for industrial needs as well as household applications, including small tasks like plant care and interactions with pets. Integrated AI algorithms support real-time sensor data processing, allowing the hand to operate smoothly and autonomously. The long-awaited presentation of Tesla's CyberCab finally took place in the US, with the theme, "The future is coming, and the era of robots is upon us." During the event, Elon Musk announced that the two-seater self-driving taxi, known as CyberCab, is set to enter production within just 3 years. It may sound like science fiction, but this new Tesla is an autonomous vehicle with no steering wheel or pedals. The electric vehicle has a futuristic design, featuring butterfly wing doors and a small cabin with enough room for only 2 passengers. The CyberCab charges wirelessly through inductive charging. Full autonomous driving will be provided in California and Texas as soon as next year, according to Musk. CyberCab is expected to go into production in either 2026 or 2027, with an eventual price of around $30,000. Musk believes autonomous vehicles are the future, emphasizing that such vehicles will be 10 to 20 times safer than human-driven ones. Additionally, self-driving cars offer a way to save time. Think about the collective time people spend in cars, said Musk, and the time they'll get back, which they can spend reading, watching a movie, working, or anything else. Tesla also showcased RoboVan, designed to autonomously transport groups of up to 20 people. Like CyberCab, the van has no pedals or steering wheel, just seating for passengers. At the CyberCab event unveiling the new Tesla RoboVan, Elon Musk also showcased his Optimus robots performing daily human tasks, as reported on Tesla's social media on X. Optimus will be walking among you, you can walk right up to them, and they'll serve you drinks, Musk told the event attendees. According to Tesla's founder, these robots can perform various basic human tasks, such as walking dogs, caring for children, mowing lawns, serving drinks, and more. After the presentation, a live demonstration showed people interacting with the Optimus robots at tables and among crowds. However, the robots mostly waved, poured drinks, and danced, leading some guests to speculate that they might be remotely controlled by humans. In the summer of 2024, Musk expressed full confidence in the success of the Optimus program, which aims to scale up the production of robotic humanoids. According to his predictions, over 1,000 Optimus units should be operating in Tesla's factories by next year. Musk envisions Tesla Optimus robots in every household, taking on various roles in manufacturing and service sectors. For this to happen, the robots need to be affordable. He previously suggested that the cost could be lower than that of Tesla's cars, and recently shared that they might even be priced at less than half the cost of a Tesla vehicle. The complexity per unit mass for humanoid robots is much higher, but I still believe they will eventually cost less than half a car, the billionaire stated at the event. Now it will be interesting to see how China, this year's undisputed leader in humanoid robot production, will respond to this presentation. The humanoid robot race continues. China's Engine AI recently unveiled its first full-size, versatile humanoid robot called SE01. Developed with a focus on practical applications, this robot is designed to perform a wide range of tasks across various sectors, from industrial manufacturing and services to education and scientific research. SE01 is equipped with 12 degrees of freedom in its joints, allowing for flexible movements like squats and push-ups. This capability enables it to perform physically demanding tasks while remaining stable and maneuverable. Engine AI, founded in 2023 and based in Shenzhen, is composed of robotics experts, many of whom have experience from top universities like UC Berkeley and Tsinghua. The company's primary goal is the development of versatile robots with potential for commercialization and broad deployment. The Chinese company Robot Era showcased the running capabilities of its robot Star 1 by releasing a video where 2 robots race across various challenging terrains in the Gobi Desert. One of the robots was fitted with sneakers, which allowed it to navigate difficult sections of the terrain more quickly. Star 1 stands 171 centimeters tall and weighs 65 kilograms. During the tests, the robot reached a speed of about 13 kilometers per hour, setting a new record for robots moving on 2 legs. This surpassed the previous record set by Unitree's H1 robot, which achieved a speed of almost 12 kilometers per hour. The robot uses artificial intelligence trained through neural network models, enabling it to imitate human movements and adapt to various tasks, including running, walking, and jumping. Here is an example of a smart factory from one of China's home appliance manufacturers, where 99% of the workforce are robotic machines. The factory utilizes modern automation technologies and artificial intelligence to create a highly efficient production process. Most processes are performed automatically by robots and various mechanisms. Robots on the assembly lines handle the assembly of components for home appliances, such as washing machines, refrigerators, and microwave ovens. Their actions are precise and repetitive at high speed, minimizing the potential for errors and boosting productivity. It's important to note that the factory is equipped with AI systems that enable the robots to independently manage processes, monitor product quality, and optimize workflows. For example, these systems can track equipment conditions and notify when maintenance is required. There are almost no human workers on the factory floor, as most tasks are carried out by machines. However, employees monitor equipment performance and manage processes through centralized computer systems. Their role is to ensure smooth operation and adjust the machinery as needed. RZR Doll is a leading brand specializing in the creation of hyper-realistic silicone robot dolls, known for their high quality and advanced technology. Their R series in particular stands out for its realistic features and enhanced engineering. These robot dolls are made from premium platinum silicone, closely mimicking the texture and softness of human skin. The 163 and 168 centimeters models in the R series are especially notable, offering improved flexibility and realism, including articulated joints, a movable jaw, and intricately detailed anatomical features. In addition to aesthetics, the R series robot dolls are highly functional. They are equipped with a durable, movable skeleton made of alloy and engineered plastic, allowing for natural poses and movements. The price of these robot dolls ranges from $3,700 to $5,000, depending on the model and its features. Autobot Company has developed the advanced bionic hand called Bionic, one of the most modern and high-tech prosthetic devices available today. This bionic hand is equipped with 14 different grip types and positions to perform everyday tasks, such as holding objects, typing, and even opening doors. The myoelectric system allows control via sensors placed on the residual limb skin, enabling users to precisely manage the movement of each finger. One unique aspect of Bionic is its auto grip feature, which automatically strengthens its hold if the hand detects that an object is beginning to slip. However, the prosthetic does not offer tactile feedback, setting it apart from some other models. Nevertheless, Bionic remains a powerful device, capable of lifting up to 45 kilograms, with a gripping force in individual grips reaching 140 newtons, making it strong enough for daily tasks. The Chinese Tencent Robotics X Laboratory has unveiled its new development called the 5 Robot, primarily designed to assist people in challenging real-world environments such as homes or elderly care facilities. This robot features a hybrid mobility system that combines both wheeled and legged mechanisms. This allows it to move effectively over various types of surfaces, including flat roads, stairs, inclined planes, and even more complex terrains like stones or uneven pavements. One of the key aspects of the robot is its ability to safely physically interact with people. It can support and move elderly individuals, helping them stand up or move around. Additionally, the robot is equipped with powerful motors that enable it to lift heavy loads, such as boxes or even people. Robotic dogs continue to evolve and have now learned to move underwater. The Polish company MAB Robotics demonstrated the new ability of its robot dog named Honey Badger, which ran along the bottom of a pool. In the video, the robot can be seen running along the pool floor. Moving on legs in water isn't the most efficient solution, especially compared to propeller mechanisms. However, the developers had a different goal. The video showcases the robot's structural reliability and dynamic movement. According to the creators, originally designed for ground operations, the Honey Badger could prove useful in search and rescue missions at disaster sites. Search and rescue operations have become a key application for autonomous robotic systems, sparing people from entering dangerous areas after natural disasters or man-made catastrophes. The Turks have introduced the country's first humanoid robot actor named Apera. Apera is unique in that she was specifically created for interaction in the world of arts and entertainment. She has already appeared in the 2022 film Digital Human, as well as in TV series, commercials, and even at concerts. According to producer and screenwriter Birol Guven, they aim to make Apera a renowned actress on the international stage. Apera is positioned as a digital human and is capable of rapid learning. She has graduated from all conservatories, read all the plays, and easily acquires new knowledge using the internet as the main source. A new robot has been developed for training dentists in Japan, with an appearance and mannerisms almost indistinguishable from those of a human. The primary purpose of this female robot is to help dentists practice their skills without risking human health on this mechanism. The model Showa Hanoko 2 was introduced by Showa University. She has an incredibly realistic appearance and is also very easy to use. Her facial skin and oral structures look natural thanks to a new type of silicone and a more detailed replication of human features. The robot was created for the university by TMS UK, with specialists from Orient Industry working on her appearance. The oral cavity was designed to be sealed, so that fluids used during dental procedures would not damage the electronics. An interesting addition is a gag reflex simulation, triggered by pressure on the same area as it would be in a human. Showa Hanoko 2 has 10 degrees of freedom, including 2 for the tongue and 2 for each hand. The gynoid can blink, move her eyes, sneeze, cough, and show signs of fatigue if her mouth is held open for too long. The Noodle Shop of the Future is a robotic kitchen developed by the Japanese startup Connected Robotics Company, featuring a fully automated food preparation system. This kitchen can cook traditional Japanese dishes using robotic arms and advanced AI algorithms. In addition to food preparation, the robots can handle payment processing and cleaning. The main goal of this innovation is to address the labor shortage, a pressing issue in Japan's restaurant industry. For example, a robot in a shop at a train station can prepare up to 40 portions of noodles per hour, reducing the workload on staff and increasing service efficiency. Using machine vision and deep learning technology, these robots can perform complex tasks, such as handling ingredients with care and monitoring the cooking process. Swiss Mile has developed an innovative high-speed transformer robot capable of moving on both wheels and legs. This robot can reach speeds of up to 22 kilometers per hour when moving on wheels. It can not only travel quickly on flat surfaces but also navigate stairs, uneven terrain, and other obstacles using its legs. Additionally, the robot can carry loads of up to 50 kilograms, making it ideal for logistics and delivery in urban and industrial areas. Swiss Mile is also equipped with an autonomous navigation system that uses artificial intelligence to analyze the environment and make real-time decisions. This allows the robot to adapt to changing conditions and work efficiently both indoors and outdoors. Engineers from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology have unveiled one of the fastest and most advanced robots in the world named Cheetah. This robot was inspired by the movements of a real cheetah and can reach speeds of up to 16 kilometers per hour and jump over obstacles as high as 46 centimeters. The Cheetah robot weighs about 9 kilograms, making it easy to transport and use in various environments. One of its key features is the use of an algorithm to control each of its 4 legs, allowing it not only to run on rough terrain, but also to maintain balance and stability even when encountering uneven surfaces. The MIT engineering team believes that in the future, the robot will have the ability to reach speeds of up to 48 kilometers per hour, thanks to new improvements in its design and control systems. The company Deep Robotics has finally showcased its latest humanoid robot RZR01 in action. This robot was first unveiled at the 2024 World Robot Conference in Beijing. Previously focused on quadruped robots, Deep Robotics created RZR01 as part of its expansion into the field of humanoid robotics by equipping it with advanced technologies that give it a range of unique capabilities. RZR01 features lightweight J60 joints and powerful J100, enabling it to display high movement flexibility and adapt to challenging environmental conditions. Additionally, the robot is equipped with an autonomous learning system, allowing it to enhance its skills using big data and artificial intelligence. Designed to assist with repetitive yet highly precise tasks, RZR01 can help ensure personnel safety in hazardous areas and improve operational efficiency in industrial settings. The WalkOn Suit F1 is a unique robotic exoskeleton developed by scientists at the Korean Advanced Institute of Technology for individuals with paraplegia, which limits lower body mobility. Unlike previous models, this exoskeleton can be put on directly from a wheelchair without assistance, significantly enhancing user independence and allowing them to walk at a normal speed of 3.2 kilometers per hour. The WalkOn Suit F1 is equipped with advanced control and recognition systems, including artificial intelligence to process visual data and detect obstacles. Its active balance control system supports the user while walking and allows the use of both hands, making it easier to perform everyday tasks like opening doors and climbing stairs. A talented Japanese artist and DJ named DJ Do has recently unveiled his latest creations, realistic fragments of the human body that respond to touch. His collection includes not only iPhone cases covered in human skin and DJ consoles of a similar design, but also unique accessories like mouth-shaped wallets in various styles. The creation process for these items involves several steps. First, the artist decides on the body part he wants to recreate and designs the accessory, considering both functionality and aesthetics. A three-dimensional model of the chosen body part is created, often using 3D scanning or clay sculpting to accurately capture the form and texture. A silicone mold is made based on the 3D model, designed to capture the smallest skin surface details. Silicone or resin, which mimics the texture and color of human skin, is poured into the prepared mold. After being removed from the mold, the piece is then painted in layers of translucent colors to achieve a natural skin tone, and fine details like hairs, eyelashes, or eyebrows are added to enhance realism. This process enables the creation of accessories that captivate viewers with their realism, eliciting strong public reactions. Videos showcasing DJ Do's new creations are regularly posted on his Instagram, drawing attention from fans and art enthusiasts. One unique feature of some models is their ability to respond to touch. For instance, a leather cube with a human eye includes a controller that lets users adjust blinking frequency, eye-opening width, and more. The price for these items is around $5,000, with buyers willing to pay for their uniqueness and quality. Currently, about 30 different creations made of artificial human skin and flesh are available. The company Gyuro, specializing in special design and modeling for films and commercials, is responsible for producing these art pieces. The company Onyx, in collaboration with Ghost Robotics, recently conducted successful tests integrating its NAUT system with the four-legged robot V60. This robot is a quadrupedal unmanned ground vehicle and is specifically designed to navigate complex terrains and perform various tasks, particularly in military and tactical missions. Weighing around 51 kg, the V60 can reach speeds of up to 3 meters per second and carry a payload of up to 10 kilograms, enabling it to transport equipment and essential supplies in critical situations. The NAUT system on the V60 provides operators with real-time terrain data through 360-degree coverage via integrated cameras and LiDAR. Recent trials conducted by the British Army demonstrated its potential for advanced missions, such as reconnaissance, cargo delivery, and safe navigation through hazardous areas. Here is the humanoid robot Eve, which thanks to artificial intelligence not only listens to and understands people, but also performs various complex tasks including cooking. The robotics company 1X has demonstrated significant progress in the field by introducing its humanoid robot named Eve. This robot can now execute long sequences of tasks using natural language voice commands, which marks an important milestone in the industry. We won't go into the countless tasks this robot can perform, because there are plenty of videos showcasing it on the channel. Notably, this robot excels at cooking, and thanks to its artificial intelligence, can even create recipes on its own. The developers envision numerous applications for Eve across various industries, including the culinary sector. Let us know in the comments if you would visit a restaurant where robots like Eve prepare your meals instead of humans. Engineers at ABB Company have developed the humanoid robot Yumi, one of the first truly collaborative robots capable of safely working alongside humans. Yumi is a dual-arm robot designed to perform a variety of tasks, including small component assembly, cafe tasks, and customer service. One of the most well-known demonstrations of its capabilities was at the Computing Conference in 2017, organized by Alibaba Cloud, where Yumi created a cafe latte. The robot was programmed to perform the entire process from picking up the cup to preparing and serving the drink, impressing attendees with its precision and ability to interact with people without the need for protective barriers. In addition to coffee making, Yumi is successfully used on industrial production lines such as in the confectionery and bakery industries, where it handles packaging and sorting of finished products. The company A-Robot has introduced its new humanoid robot named Alice V4, designed to perform tasks closely resembling human behavior. Alice V4 stands 136 centimeters tall and weighs about 20 kilograms. It features 20 degrees of freedom in its movements, allowing it to execute complex tasks with precision and smooth motion. The robot can interact with people through facial recognition, speech, and gesture recognition technologies, providing a positive user experience thanks to its friendly interface and design that promotes a robot's natural perception. Its capabilities include recognizing and moving objects, as well as analyzing its environment, enabling it to navigate a soccer field, track the ball, and even kick it, showcasing a high level of autonomy. A-Robot aims to create a robot that can become a reliable assistant, interacting with humans as naturally as possible. Very soon, robots may fully replace baristas, offering users quick, accurate, and high-quality service. One such example is the XBot coffee robot, an autonomous barista robot capable of making a variety of coffee drinks, from classic espresso to complex lattes, in just 70 to 90 seconds. Designed with the needs of modern mini-cafes in mind, XBot offers personalized beverages and convenience, making coffee breaks more tech-driven and accessible. The robot is equipped with an AI system and a touchscreen, allowing it to take orders, adjust recipes to customers' tastes, and maintain consistent quality. With its compact design and ability to operate autonomously, the XBot coffee robot is perfect for high-traffic areas where fast and reliable drink service is essential. Here is a unique training process of a large group of mini cheetah robot dogs, developed in MIT's laboratory. Each of these small robots weighs around 9 kilograms and is designed to mimic the fast, smooth movements of animals like cheetahs. Equipped with 3 powerful motors on each leg, the robots can perform complex maneuvers, sharp turns, self-correcting jumps upon landing, and even backflips. In the video, you can see the synchronized movements of 9 robots, demonstrating precise coordination and an efficient decentralized control system where each robot independently adjusts its position and adapts to changes in real time. MIT uses advanced reinforcement learning algorithms to train the robots in a virtual environment, allowing them to learn from various scenarios before deployment in real conditions. This approach minimizes human intervention, as the robots adapt independently to new conditions, like slippery surfaces, maintaining balance even in challenging situations. Israeli engineers from Ben Gurion University have created a robot called Sweeper, designed for harvesting sweet peppers. The robot moves along rails, carefully scans the fruits, and can automatically adjust to the height of each plant. It is important to note that Sweeper only picks ripe peppers. The robot assesses the fruits using computer vision and artificial intelligence technology. According to the engineers, using robots like Sweeper will reduce the number of vegetables that spoil due to not being harvested on time, cut labor costs, and free farmers from performing tedious work while protecting them from the impacts of market fluctuations. In theory, once the robot is available for sale, it will allow farmers to harvest crops continuously, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, and this could bring about a true revolution in the agriculture industry. But Dave Nowinski didn't stop at the robo-horse. He also decided to create a true T-800 Terminator, using the humanoid robot H1 from Unitree Robotics company. Nowinski's plan to transform the Unitree H1 into a Terminator was more like a cosplay costume adaptation. So, he had to dress up the H1 to give it the look of a skinless T-800 endoskeleton. Dave used 3D printing technology and metal components to accurately replicate the T-800. Every detail from the joints to the skull was crafted with precision, allowing the robot to move smoothly and realistically. One of the most challenging parts of the project was the movement control system, enabling the robot to replicate human-like motions. To achieve this, Dave implemented actuators and servos, ensuring precision and fluidity in the movements. The transformation was truly impressive, and now the H1 robot closely resembles a Terminator. The popular YouTuber Whistlin' Diesel pulled off an incredible stunt by attaching giant 10-foot wheels to a Tesla Model 3 and driving it upside down. To enable the Tesla to move in an inverted position, Whistlin' Diesel's team created custom wheels made of steel pipes, which lifted the car several meters above the ground. This allowed the car to be safely flipped without the roof touching the ground. A massive excavator was used to perform the flip. Before the flip, the car went through numerous tests, including driving over obstacles, attacks on the interior with a chainsaw, and even testing Tesla's automatic safety systems. Despite the destructive tests, the fact that the Tesla was able to drive in an inverted position showcased the impressive resilience of its electric system, which does not rely on traditional fuel or oil like internal combustion engines. YouTuber Jake Laser from the J Laser video channel was inspired by the superhero Frozone from the animated film The Incredibles to create a suit that allows him to skate anywhere by freezing the surface as he moves. To achieve this, he developed a backpack powered by water and liquid nitrogen, which sprays ice to mimic Frozone's abilities. The main challenge was to build a portable system capable of instantly freezing surfaces so Jake could skate on ice created right beneath him. Initially, he experimented with various methods, such as using compressed CO2, but these proved impractical for generating enough ice. He eventually settled on liquid nitrogen due to its extremely low temperatures, which allowed for instant ice formation. Additionally, he used a chemical reaction known as elephant toothpaste to create a foam that resembles snow. The Italian company Bionic has recently unveiled its latest development, the humanoid Bionic X5, which is fully assembled using 3D printing. The structure of the Bionic X5 consists of key components such as arms, legs, torso, and head, making it a complete humanoid. All parts of the robot are 3D printed, allowing users not only to assemble the robot, but also to customize it for specific tasks or needs. An interesting feature is the robot's modularity. Users can configure it to perform specific actions or tasks, such as research work, participation in entertainment projects, or assisting in elderly care. Additionally, the Bionic X5 uses a simple controller that enables users to operate the robot's servo motors without the need for coding. Limex Dynamics has developed an innovative robot called Tron 1, the world's first multimodal bipedal robot capable of switching movement modes based on surface type. The robot can be controlled in real time via a wireless remote or autonomously through Python programming. Standing 85 centimeters tall and weighing around 20 kilograms, it can operate for up to 1.5 hours on a single charge. Additional ports allow for the connection of various peripheral devices such as cameras, lidars, and manipulators. Tron 1's modular design enables it to adapt easily to different terrains, including uneven surfaces, smooth floors, and challenging areas with obstacles. This adaptability makes Tron 1 not just a robot but a full-fledged platform for research and experimentation, where flexibility and high maneuverability are essential. Agility Robotics recently explained why their robot Digit is equipped with legs rather than wheels, even though it often operates on flat surfaces like warehouses. Legs allow the robot to function in challenging environments where wheels aren't always effective. Digit can climb stairs, navigate obstacles, and work in human spaces, such as warehouses, where the infrastructure is designed for people. Legs provide the robot with flexibility and the ability to perform various tasks in environments intended for humans. Digit itself is an advanced version of the previous model named Cassie and is equipped with both legs and arms, significantly expanding its functionality. The robot stands 1.75 meters tall and is capable of carrying boxes weighing up to 18 kilograms, climbing stairs, traversing uneven surfaces, and performing various tasks in warehouses and logistics centers. Here is a rather unusual Japanese robot called Hatsuki, created by the company Hatsumove. What makes Hatsuki unique is that it is a hybrid of robotics and anime culture. Hatsuki was first showcased at various events, including Wonder Festival and the International Robot Exhibition. The robot stands 145 centimeters tall, and thanks to projection technology, can display both 2D and 3D animated facial expressions, similar to anime characters in real time. Additionally, the robot is equipped with artificial intelligence including ChatGPT, which allows it to interact and freely communicate with people. In the future, the developers promise to enhance the robot and teach it how to walk. Here you can see the incredibly complex process of creating arm prosthetics for individuals with amputations. This is a high-tech and labor-intensive process that produces prosthetics to help restore functionality for those who have lost limbs. The first step in creating a prosthetic involves a meeting between the patient, doctor, and prosthetist technician. This crucial phase allows specialists to gather information on the patient's condition, the level of amputation, and their specific needs. To precisely craft the prosthetic, a mold is taken of the remaining part of the patient's arm. This is done using special plaster or silicone material, which helps create a foundation for further modeling, ensuring the prosthetic fits perfectly in size and shape. The primary materials used for making prosthetics are silicone and plastic. Silicone is used for the outer shell to create a soft, realistic skin texture. The internal mechanisms may be made from harder materials like plastic or metal to provide strength and functionality. During the assembly process, the prosthetic is fitted with all necessary components. If the prosthetic includes mechanical or electronic parts, they are installed at this stage. One of the most critical aspects is the visual detail of the prosthetic. To achieve a natural look, extensive work is done on painting the silicone surface to match the patient's skin tone, taking into account features like pigmentation, vein patterns, and moles. Sometimes, special paints are applied by hand to achieve maximum realism. The craftsmen pay careful attention to details, such as nails and skin texture. After the prosthetic is completed, the patient returns for a fitting. Specialists assess the fit, comfort, and functionality of the prosthetic. If necessary, adjustments are made to improve the fit or function. The cost of these prosthetics can reach tens of thousands of dollars, and many are willing to pay such amounts to regain a sense of being a fully active member of society. Engineer Ian Davis lost 4 fingers due to an unfortunate workshop accident. After the incident, he discovered that his health insurance didn't cover the cost of a hand prosthetic because he only lost fingers, not the entire hand. Undeterred and full of determination, Davis decided to create his own prosthetic. Using his professional knowledge as a mechanical engineer and leveraging 3D printing, Ian set out to restore his hand and his life. Davis designed a mechanical prosthetic from scratch that operates independently of electronic components, software, and batteries. The prosthetic doesn't need charging and is also much faster than electronic limbs. On average, it takes 0.2 seconds to open or close the fist, compared to electronic prosthetics, which can take up to 10 times longer. His primary goal is to be recognized by a major prosthetics manufacturer and design a hand in their R&D department, creating real solutions for patients with partial hand amputations. The Carpent Pod is a unique walking coffee table designed by Guillaume de Carpentier, a game developer from the Netherlands. Inspired by Theo Jansen's famous Strandbeests, which feature kinetic sculptures powered by wind, Carpent Pod takes this concept further by employing a software-optimized leg mechanism. This table is made from laminated bamboo plywood and driven by 2 brushless motors. It is remotely controlled via a joystick, giving it the ability to walk smoothly across surfaces. The innovative design features 12 legs made from steel shafts, ball bearings, and aluminum crankshafts. The table's gait was fine-tuned through a virtual competition of leg designs, optimizing for balance and material usage. Engineers from the YouTube channel Famous Flesh showcased their unique process for creating hyper-realistic celebrity masks. These works are marked by incredible detail, allowing artificial faces to appear genuinely lifelike. One of their standout creations is a Donald Trump mask, which gained popularity for its flawless resemblance to the former president. The mask includes intricate details like skin texture, pores, and even wrinkles, making it startlingly realistic. The creation process starts with digital modeling of the face, followed by 3D printing to produce a head mold that perfectly replicates the original features. At this stage, layers of silicone are added, and meticulous painting is done to give the skin a natural appearance. With precise coloring and the addition of realistic hair, they achieve maximum likeness. Every step from shading to selecting skin tones is carefully done by hand to ensure the result appears vivid and natural. Ultimately, these masks are used in films and shows where an uncanny likeness to real people is required. This is Verdie, a unique AI-powered gardening robot that will win your heart while taking care of your lawn. Verdie is a gardener robot with artificial intelligence, capable of performing multiple tasks autonomously. He may look amusing, but he's incredibly serious about his work. If you've always dreamed of a tireless, hard-working yet sociable gardening assistant, it might be time for a special introduction. Verdie is the latest addition to the outdoor robot family. Beyond his charming appearance, Verdie represents a significant step forward in automation that respects the environment and serves people. Electric Sheep Company envisions that in addition to mowing, edging, and blowing away debris, this AI-powered garden helper will one day perform additional tasks like planting, pruning and weeding, working alongside human crews rather than fully replacing them. Weave Robotics Company has announced its first humanoid robot named Isaac, which will be a robotic assistant specifically designed for the home. Currently, there is no detailed information about the robot, but the company promises a revolution in the field of home robotics technologies. We look forward to hearing more about this new development. The humanoid robot from Rollin Robotics named Richie has been taught to play chess, and now humans finally have a worthy opponent in the form of a robotic humanoid. The uniqueness of Richie lies in its learning process. Initially, a human controlled the robot remotely by wearing a virtual reality headset, demonstrating how to perform various tasks. The machine learning algorithm then analyzed 50 video recordings of these teleoperation sessions, each lasting around 15 seconds. After 40,000 to 60,000 training iterations, Richie 2 mastered complex sequences of actions. It learned to independently pick up an apple, smoothly turn it in its hand, return to its starting position, play chess, and much more. Over time, as it continues to learn, the complexity of tasks will increase. The Max Bionic Company, a startup in the field of biomechatronics, has introduced its flagship product, the Mi-Hand Bionic Prosthesis of the future. The main feature of this prosthesis is its adaptable functionality, which can be customized to the user's needs through application input or an intelligent algorithm that calculates the patient's actions and either removes or adds functionality as required. This type of prosthesis is controlled through electromyographic sensors that read the electrical potential of muscles. The signal is processed by a controller, which then sends commands to motors that position the fingers accordingly. The Mi-Hand prosthesis is made from high-quality materials such as titanium, steel, duralumin, and nylon, using ultra-precise industrial machines. It has a durable metal frame that transfers loads from the fingers to the forearm, allowing the prosthesis to withstand high loads of up to 30 kilograms and generate a strong grip force for tasks requiring powerful hold. The Israeli company Kitchen Robotics aims to revolutionize the commercial kitchen with its innovative system named Bistro. This robotic kitchen complex automates key stages of food preparation, freeing chefs from routine tasks. Bistro can prepare up to 45 dishes per hour, using over 35 different ingredients, and offers a wide variety of meals, from pasta and soups to salads and steaks. Equipped with 12 containers for liquids and 23 for solid ingredients, the robot mixes, cooks, and serves dishes according to pre-programmed recipes. Bistro is already in use at several locations in the US, and the company plans to significantly expand its presence. This solution helps restaurants reduce labor costs by up to 75% and decrease food waste by 33%, making the cooking process more efficient and eco-friendly. James Bruton, a former toy designer and popular YouTuber, created a Ridable Atat robot inspired by the Star Wars films. This impressive project showcases his skills in robotics and 3D printing. While his version of the iconic AT-AT isn't as massive as the one in the movies, it's a fully functioning model that can support the weight of a person and move slowly, just like the film original. The construction consists of 3D printed parts and aluminum frames, making it sturdy enough to walk and even turn via remote control. Although Bruton's version isn't armed like the one in the movies, the robot still looks intimidating. The leg movement is powered by electric motors, faithfully replicating the original AT-AT's slow, deliberate gait. This project of Bruton's truly deserves special attention, especially from Star Wars fans. Engineers from Pixel Farming Robotics have introduced their agricultural robot called Robot 1, designed to tackle the challenges of sustainable and biodiverse farming. This autonomous robot is built to combat weeds without the use of chemicals, and can perform multiple tasks simultaneously thanks to its 10 robotic arms, which can be equipped with various tools. These manipulators have millimeter-level precision, allowing for plant treatment without harming the surrounding environment. With 14 high-resolution cameras and advanced computer vision algorithms, the robot can recognize and classify plants in real time, creating a 3D map of the field. This level of accuracy allows farmers to optimize crop growth and maintain high soil quality. The robot's price starts at €185,000. Autobot Company has also developed the Myobot series for its Bionic prosthetic, offering enhanced control and functionality. The Myobot series integrates with the Myo Plus controller, which utilizes advanced technology to read and analyze signals from the forearm muscles. This allows users to control the prosthesis with high precision and minimal effort. The Myo Plus system recognizes unique movements recorded through the Myo Plus application, enabling users to customize control for specific tasks, such as gripping objects of various shapes or applying force for precise actions. Each finger is equipped with individual motors, providing 14 different grip types, including power and pinch grips. Users can select settings and switch modes via the application, making the system more flexible and intuitive. Introducing the latest bionic limb named the Bionic arm, developed using advanced robotics and bionics technology. Engineers at Bionic have created a prosthetic arm with a stylish and modern design made from high-quality materials for strength and durability. This prosthetic limb offers a wide range of functional capabilities, equipped with various motorized actuators and sensors for precise control. Control is achieved through electromyography or other sensory systems, allowing users to operate the prosthesis using muscle signals. Innovative technologies, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, optimize functionality and interaction with the surrounding environment. The startup Nala Robotics has integrated artificial intelligence into its autonomous restaurant robots, enabling them to cook virtually any dish. Generative AI and robots can help restaurants and cafeterias save money and address workforce turnover and shortages. The Chicago-based startup has incorporated AI into its automated kitchen named Nala Chef. With the integration of generative AI, the robots can not only create almost any dish following a recipe, but also invent new ones. For instance, restaurants can tell ChatGPT the ingredients we have today: tomatoes, squash, capers, etc., and the AI can suggest a potential recipe. This is an area where people haven't ventured before, the company reports. Optimizing ingredient use will help reduce food waste. Additionally, the robots can replace multiple kitchen staff, reducing labor costs for restaurants. In the near future, robots may fully replace bartenders, and Oriheim Echo is one of the robots that could make this a reality. Developed by the Japanese company Ori Laboratory, this robot is designed specifically for remote operation, allowing services to be provided through robot avatars. Oriheim Echo enables individuals who cannot be physically present to perform the role of a bartender or barista, interacting with customers from a distance. At the Avatar Robot Cafe in Tokyo, Oriheim robots are already being used as servers and bartenders. Oriheim Echo's uniqueness lies in its ability not only to serve drinks, but also to communicate with customers, performing various gestures and expressions to make interactions feel more human. These robots provide opportunities for people with physical limitations to work in the hospitality industry, expanding their ability to engage with others.